What's up, you guys? This is Mike FX speaking, and we're back with another video. Um, we have our analysis, our weekly analysis today. We'll be taking a look at gold and what are the possibilities for this week, what we can expect from gold in the following week, and start to really structure our trades and how we'll be executing on gold and kind of get the ball rolling for the week. So I hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope you guys did something productive this weekend, whatever that may be. But I hope you guys just did something, man. Did something to take you further towards your dreams. But yeah, let's get right into it. This is gonna be a short video. It's gonna be a quick video. We're just gonna get straight into it and see what gold has in store for us this week, right? As I said, I'm not gonna keep analyzing the same thing over and over again because we talked about this last week. But impulse, correction, impulse, right? We're seeing this impulse and a nice huge correction to the downside with the first touch, here, second touch, and then a third touch and a double bottom here, and then impulse all the way to our 90%, right? So yeah, so that's it on gold. So we're expecting price to come all the way up there, right? This is our high, the swing high. So price has to eventually come up there to this $2,075, $2,075,000. $2,075. Sorry, you guys. And then yeah, then we'll have to see what price does when it gets here, how it approaches this level, so we can have a better understanding of whether price could break a retest and continue to move up. Because we're not sure what will happen when price gets to these areas. Maybe we can break a retest, go further, or we can see price correcting to the upside, giving us indications of the possibility of it dropping to the downside, right? So we'll have to monitor how gold approaches these levels here, but right now we are right here, so that is our job right here. We'll see what happens when we get there, but our focus is on this huge impulse to the outside here, to the upside here. So on the 4-hour, we know we have impulse corrections, these corrections here, corrections, and another correction here. We saw price come down here to test these areas, giving us a double bottom. Resistance turned into support, right? So now we know that this area, it was resistance here, and then we're seeing support, 1, 2, double bottom, right? And we can expect price to just shoot up from here all the way to our next high, which is visible. I think it's gonna be visible here on the 4-hour. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is it. It was here. I think we tested it again here. See, double top. Previous resistance turned into support. Yeah, we came from the top. Resistance turned into support. 1, 2, 3, right here, right? So we are coming to that level for the following week. Whether we reach that level or not, we'll have to just wait and see. But we are in an uptrend. We're creating higher highs and higher lows. Us failing to break this level here, really confirms to me that we are still in an uptrend and we still have a lot of momentum to the upside. Look what price did when it got to these levels. It just rejected like crazy. It rejected like crazy, and then it just wicked and then shot up straight. So this area is very strong, and it's telling me that price has more possibilities to go to the upside, as I've stated, right? So if you jump to the 1 hour, I think we can remove all of this because price has already came down, and so that structure has been completed, right? This relevant. Yeah, we have our double bottom here, 1, 2. So what you can expect is price to just give us a nice correction here, nice correct. Sorry about that. You can wait for price to give us a nice correction here to the downside, right? Giving us that 1, 2, 3, and then something like that. I'm sorry if it's not picture perfect, guys, but you get that idea. And then boom, this is what we could be potentially looking at for the coming week. But whatever it is, it will present itself. But you have to keep in mind that these areas are still relevant. Why? Because we're seeing price break and retest these areas, which means price violating, we see resistance, we came down, we break through it again, but you can see that price is still respecting these areas. This is still a relevant area. So buying here is still very much valid, it's still a good entry to buying all the way up there, and hopefully we can break this area. Eventually we can break and retest, and hopefully go all the way to the upside with it, to our next swing high or high, right, that I showed you on the 4 hour. This is it. We will be coming up there for the week, but we do not determine what the market does. That's not our job. Our job is to see what the market is telling us and then react accordingly, right? So whatever price we'll be doing this week, I will be more bullish on it. But if I get it, if I get a sell confirmation, for example, if price can break these levels, retest here, sure as hell I will take this sell. I will not leave it. I'm gonna take it. So, but it will be a higher risk trade, because it won't be a high probability, because now I'm going against the trend. So there's a higher chance of us going to the upside. As we saw, we're in an uptrend, high highs, high lows on the 4 hour. So yeah, that is it on gold. Hope you guys have a profitable week. We will see each other next time. Keep well. Cheers.